Okay, firstly, what is SPSS? SPSS, which is a statistical package for the social science. SPSS is a powerful software used for analyzing and interpreting data. It's widely used in research, especially for surveys and experiments. The best part is, you don't need to be a statistic expert or know coding. With just a few clicks, you can run tests like t-test, ANOVA or correlation, create graph, and easily spot patterns in your data. It helps researchers to turn raw data into meaningful results quickly and efficiently. As you can see here, I already put 3 simple steps. The first step is insert data, second step put complete command, and the last step our answer will be produced. Okay, so my groupmate will elaborate more on the steps how to use SPSS, specifically on multiple linear regression.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Daniel bin Muhammad Ramli. I am from Group 4. So today I will teach you how to do a SPSS for the step 1. For the step 1, we identify the variables for the regression analysis. The dependent variable or outcome we are trying to predict is the groundwater recharge rate. The second thing is the independent variable, which we believe is the influence is the data that influence the rate that we want to find. For example, vegetation covers, average monthly rainfalls, and average temperatures. In the SPSS, we go to the variable view tab and then define these 4 variables. Then we set all of them as a memory and assign the measure type or scales. Since they are the continuous data, we set after that we switch to the data view to enter row of the data provided in the question. Then in this step is important to make sure that the SPSS know how to handle each variables during the analysis. Okay, that's all from me. We move to the next step. Thank you.
Step 2, I will explain how to enter the data into SPSS. First, open SPSS and go to the variable view tab. Here, we name our variable as recharge rate, vegetation cover, rainfall, and temperature. Set the measure type for all of them as scale, since these are continuous numerical values. Next, switch to the data view tab. In this tab, we enter the value from the dataset row by row, which is column representing in variable and each row representing a case. This step is important to ensure that our data is organized correctly before we run the analysis. Once all the values are entered, we are ready to proceed to the regression analysis.
I will explain the step 3. First, after this, in the Windows tab, we need to choose regression and go to the linear. Second, we put the independent and dependent variable into the column after we have identified it. Third, the statistic, plot, save, and options. We can change variable that we want depending on the question that we want to answer. Then, click continue for all the changes that have been chosen. Click OK to do the multiple regression linear. Lastly, the SPS will produce all the answers we want, such as coefficient, chart, and all the other things.
So, after completing the regression analysis and getting the output, the next step is to export results. First, make sure you are in the SPSS output viewer window. Then, go to the file menu at the top left and click on Export. A window will pop up. Under the tab section, choose PDF so that your output will be saved as a PDF file. Next, give your file a name and choose where you want to save it on your computer. You can also choose either to export all the output or just to specific parts you need. Once everything is set, just click OK and your SPSS output will be saved as PDF file. Thank you.
So now I will continue the presentation to the advantages of SPSS part. Okay, firstly, SPSS has a very user-friendly interface. It uses point and click menus, which means you don't need to know any programming to use it. It is great for beginners, especially students. Second is SPSS comprehensive statistical tools. It offers a wide range of statistical functions, from basic descriptive statistics to more complex tests like regression, t-tests, and even ANOVA. This flexibility allows users to perform many types of analysis just using one software. Thirdly, SPSS is known for producing accurate and reliable results. It is widely trusted by universities, government agencies, and journals, which means the outputs are suitable for academic and professional use. Fourth, effective data management, which is SPSS, is excellent for managing large datasets. It lets you clean, filter, merge, and transform data efficiently, which saves a lot of time during research. And lastly, SPSS generates professional-looking tables and graphs automatically. These are easy to interpret and can be exported directly into Word or Excel for report or presentation. So I think that's all for advantage of SPSS. Thank you.